Well, it's still 13. I'm gonna do my little cleanup here in the truck. I just got ran out of the creek by a pack of freaking dogs. It got pretty hairy there for a minute. Big old black mastiff. He wanted to try me, and I got down in the deepest part of the creek that I could get and put a deadfall tree between me and him, and it was kind of iffy. He had a German Shepherd mixed with them and 3 other mutts. But out here in the middle of nowhere, so I imagine somebody's dumped them. But I thought I was gonna have to shoot that one, but he mellowed out. I went, he backed up, I backed up. We kind of just went our separate ways, and I just thought, it's a good time to turn around. So I did. But anyway, just wanted to show what I found. It's not really cleanup, it's just a show and tell. Found this scraper. That's pretty cool. Just made out of flake. And I found this. Didn't show it earlier. Some kind of chopper knife thingy. I imagine that was the working end of it, whatever they were using it for. And then I found this little scraper deal. And I tell you what, it was a tool kind of day, that's for sure. That thing's been flaked all the way around the edge of it. I don't know if that's the working end or if it's just a scraper. Then there's that axe. It's a pretty cool axe. That's very, very typical. Good example of. Got a chunk out of it, but that might have happened when they were making it. It's got the patina on it, so it's old, whatever it is. But that's your typical axe. And then I found this big old giant blade core. I was gonna leave it, but I was like, man, I think I'll take that. Thing's as big as my hand. And of course, the find of the day, excuse me, is that killer Snyder's. Man, look at that thing. What a great find. That makes me very happy. Anyway, just thought I'd kind of show everything that I discovered today. Thanks for watching, people, and be safe. It's a good day.